I'm Cricket, and we are at the Embassy Suites, Tampa Airport, Westshore, and we are in room 302. And when you walk in, we are in a 2-room suite. When you first walk in, you have a sofa, a chair, table, lamp, side table. Then over here, you have a nice work area, and you have ports, sockets right there. You got a nice mirror if you want to use it as a vanity to do your makeup. You got another mirror here. And then when you go into this room, you have like a little coffee bar area. So you have a microwave, you have your coffee maker, a little sink, a refrigerator. You also have some space down here, cabinet space down here. And then when you walk out of here, you also have nice size television, your thermostat, some nice wall art. And then when you go into this room, you go into the bedroom. Huge bed, really huge bed. And then you have another large screen television. You have your lamp. You have a bedside table and lamp. And then in here you have the bathroom. Beautiful large mirror, well lit, your sink. And then down here is where they keep the towels. And you also have a hair dryer. And this is the shower. And they also have conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel for you. Not bad. It's pretty nice, guys. It's not a 5-star, but we're only staying here for one night, so it's pretty nice. And it's plenty of room. And this is the view, which is sorry for the glare from the sun. But that's it, guys. And we're at the Embassy Suites, Tampa Airport, Westshore. And I guess we'll see you tomorrow when we get ready to get on the cruise. See you when I see you. So guys, this hotel wasn't awful, but they need to put some money into it. Like the frame was cracked, the tub was stained, the floor needed to be swept and mopped. I mean, it was just like little things that could be fixed if they just put a little money into it. It was certain places like the bar and the restaurants where you had breakfast and stuff at that was fine. I mean, the hotel itself was not bad. The breakfast is complimentary. They have fresh omelets. And so certain things in the hotel was not bad. It was just that they need to put a little love into it. If they put a little love into it, this would be a great place to stay. The location is good. The service was excellent. So it's just one of those things where they really need to put just a little bit extra money and love into it. The breakfast was great. Everything in the restaurant was clean. They even have a happy hour. So from like 5 to 8, you got free drinks. They have like hors d'oeuvres, stuff like that for you. I mean, the hotel really has a lot of potential. So for us, if they just give it a little attention, it'll be someplace that we will come back to every year. So I just don't want you guys to think that the hotel is awful. It's not. It just needs a little bit of care. It's not 5-star, but it'll do for if you're going to stay there for a night or two.